Have you ever thought about the power of a name? Names are important. They help us identify things. In science, names are very important. They help us understand the universe. Imagine trying to talk about that bright, hot thing in the sky instead of saying the sun. See how much easier it is to use names? That's what we're going to explore. Think about all the different plants and animals on Earth. There are millions of them. Biologists use special names to classify them. These names help us understand how different species are related. For example, the scientific name for a lion is Panthera leo. Panthera tells us the lion belongs to a group of big cats. Leo is specific to lions. Without these names, it would be very difficult to study and talk about different creatures. Astronomy is full of amazing objects, stars, planets, galaxies. Each one has a unique name. These names often tell us something about the object itself. For example, the Andromeda Galaxy is named after a princess in Greek mythology. The name Andromeda reminds us that this galaxy is a beautiful and distant object, just like the princess in the stories. Chemistry is all about atoms and molecules. These are the building blocks of everything around us. Chemists use names to describe these tiny particles. For example, water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Its chemical formula is H2O. This simple formula tells us everything we need to know about the composition of water. Section 5. Names help us communicate. One of the main reasons we name things in science is to communicate more effectively. When scientists from different countries talk to each other, they need to use the same language. Scientific names are universal. A scientist in Japan and a scientist in Brazil both understand what hydrogen means. This shared language is essential for scientific progress. Section 6. Names help us discover. Sometimes the act of naming something can lead to new discoveries. When scientists find something new, they have to give it a name. This forces them to think carefully about the object's properties and how it relates to other things. For example, when scientists discovered a new element, they had to decide where it fit in the periodic table. This led to a deeper understanding of the element and its properties. Section 7. Names can be fun. Let's be honest, some scientific names are just plain cool. They can be dramatic, mysterious, or even funny. Who wouldn't want to study a black hole or a supernova? These names can spark our imagination and make science more engaging. They remind us that science is full of wonder and excitement. Section 8. Names evolve with knowledge. As our understanding of the universe grows, so too do our naming systems. Sometimes we need to change the names of things to reflect new discoveries. For example, Pluto was once considered the 9th planet in our solar system. However, as astronomers discovered more objects beyond Pluto, they realized that it didn't quite fit the definition of a planet. So they reclassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Section 9. Conclusion. The universe in a name. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, everything in the universe has a name. These names are not just labels, they are keys that unlock the secrets of the cosmos. They help us understand, communicate, and explore the world around us. So, the next time you hear a scientific name, don't be intimidated. Embrace it. It's an invitation to learn more about the amazing universe we live in.